Don't hesitate to call on me for anything. Like you said, a human being, I'm going to make you take that chance.